Another Stockx unboxing. Stockx deals, another Stockx deal of a deal. Unboxing another Goyard bag from Stockx. Stockx deal of a deal. I'm just baffled by the pricing and the fact that I'm getting all of these bags way under retail. Goyard bags under retail, brand new, authentic. I love you, Stockx. Stockx, you want to do a deal? Let's talk. Affiliate. Stockx affiliate, let's do it. Let's talk about it. Anyway, today we're doing a Stockx unboxing. A steal of a deal, Stockx, another Goyard bag from Stockx. Okay, so my 15th one, if that makes. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a Shopaholic chic, she had a Shopaholique. And today we're doing a Stockx Goyard unboxing, another deal I got from Goyard Stockx. Another deal I got from Stockx of Goyard bag under retail. Yeah, okay, so if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button, please consider subscribing, and keep on watching. Keep on watching. Check me out on TikTok, check me out on Instagram, check me out, follow me on the other things, Stockx. Okay, so I actually already unboxed this. So this is actually an empty box because I couldn't wait. And I've been filming so much and I haven't had time. So it's an empty box. So, well, it's over there. I'm gonna grab it in a sec. But first, what do you think about the new hat? I got it from Switzerland. Grindelwald. Hey, my Harry Potter fan. Where are my Harry Potter fans at? Grindelwald. I went to this city. It was a very small city. There was nothing in. There was very small, cute little Swiss town. I had to get this hat. Okay, so if you watch my previous videos, I've gotten 2 Artois from Stockx that were under retail, way under retail. I thought they were part of a scam from Prada. I'm still figuring that out. I got a Senat under retail. It was like $400 or $500. I got a Victoire wallet at the same price. I got a few other things that I don't know if I've unboxed or talked on this channel, but I've gotten a few other bags too that were under retail, like a St. Louis, a green one, another St. Louis, a card holder. I've gotten a few things that were under retail that I couldn't get. Either I couldn't get because they were not available in the store, or I couldn't go to the store. I don't remember what it was, but I just bid on them on Stockx and I got them. And so now, since I've gotten so many things under retail, I've made a thing where I just put a bid on everything on Stockx. Every single thing that I want at the price that I would be okay if it got accepted in my bid. Always under retail, but like at a certain price, like at $1,000 to $1,500 ish for the bags, basically, depending on the bag and the color and the size and all the things like that. So this one that I got, which I already unboxed, I'll get it in a second. I unboxed and I already put little twillies on the handles. I don't know why I'm reboxing it for you guys right now. I'm rebagging it just for dramatic purposes. Okay, so I got a large bag. It came all nicely packed like they always do, with a little thing and the thing. I actually haven't removed the tags yet, but I did put the twillies on because, you know, I like the twilly look. I got this is a green Artois in the MM size, the medium size, which is a little bit bigger. The last one I got from Stockx, which I actually bought this is when I was still unsure, and this was one of the ones that I bought because it was the same price, because I thought it was like part of the Prada scam, which I'm still not sure about. So I actually bought another one of these from Goyard to compare this to. So I'm going to unbox that soon and then do a comparison of this versus that. But now I do think they're all real. So actually that purchase was unnecessary. So I'm going to end up returning that one because I can't return these. These are really hard to return. That's the only thing with Stockx. It's very hard to return. Not very hard, but it's a process. Okay, so this is the PM. This is the MM for size comparison. And I can do a full-on size comparison. If you guys want me to do one, let me know in the comments below a size comparison about these. This is pretty much it. This is much more of a medium-sized travel bag, or more like a, you know, work, get more stuff in. This is like maybe an everyday kind of. This is the smallest bag besides the mini Anjou that they have in their totes, like smaller than the St. Louis PM. Okay, anyway. So I got this one in green. Okay, so the price was, my bid was $1,500, and then it was $135 in sales tax, $99 processing fee, and then $20 for shipping. So $1,755 was my total for this, which is less than the French price. So $1,755. This in France, I think, is maybe $22.50. It might be $22.50 now. I also just did a price increase as of January 1st. So it's probably like $24.50 now, let's say. So for $1,700 on Stockx, it was a pretty good deal. And green, I really into green. I realize that green is like a very popular. I do have a lot of green stuff now. Green and brown. My green and my brown babies. I guess I have more green. I thought I was a black and gray guy. I mean, my clothes are always black and gray. But I guess I'm more of a green and brown bag person. Maybe a little bit of contrast. Anyway, I have an organizer in here already. This is from Jenny Crafts, who I love, who if you guys want, I can give you a discount code coupon for her. The discount code is Shopaholique, QUE. It's my thing. She is amazing. Like this has like a bunch of pockets. I know this isn't really a bag organizer video, but I got all these extra pockets. It's got handles that come with it. I don't know where the handles are, but anyway, it's like you can custom design it. You can custom design it however you want. I added this pouch. I added these side pockets. And this is, you can take it out. So if you want it in the middle, bigger, and it's got four pockets, then two, then one big one here, two here, and then two side ones here, and a keychain thing. Like I added all these extra things. And I got cup holders too that you can, so I can switch this out for cup holders and plug it in. She's really great. She's very helpful. You can message her. She's on Etsy, Jenny Crafts. The code, you can get 10% off or 15% off, something like that, if you use my code, Shopaholic. Love her. She got me this for my Birkin, but it actually ended up being a little too big. It's the right size, but like it's more square, and I wanted the tapered one or whatever, because so when I close it, it'll close. So I got that tapered one as well, which she replaced this and gave me that one for free. Amazing. Jenny Crafts, check her out. Anyway, so I had orders in there, but yeah, it's basically just one big compartment, like the Artois. One big compartment and a pocket here, and yeah, I love it. And it's really big, really spacious, and I can do a review on it later. But $17.55 from Stockx, you guys, I'm telling you, Stockx is amazing. Go check it out. But actually, don't outbid me on anything, so maybe don't check it out. $17.55, it's like $800, $900 off from France. $800 off from France. Even with the VAT back, maybe let's say, so $500 off. Okay, love it. I'm gonna go, I got two more things coming from Stockx. We'll do another video. But if you want me to do a whole Stockx video about how it works and everything that I can do it, the bids and everything that I can do a whole separate just talk about Stockx video. And Stockx, if you're watching, let's do a partnership. Come on. Okay, that's all I got. I love it. I am so excited. Yay, quick video. Thank you. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemies. I know your time is valuable and I know time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I appreciate you spending your time with me. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Please go check me out on TikTok. Please go check me out on TikTok. Go follow me there. Promote those videos there. I'm trying to push out those. And my shorts too. Go check out my shorts. Love you guys. Bye. Bye. Bye.